Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's video guys, we are going to be making coconut scones. These scones guys, they are so quick and easy to make. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, grease the muffin pans and set them aside. In a medium bowl, sift together the flour, powdered sugar, baking powder, and salt. Now add coconut flour and mix well. Next, in a measuring cup, whisk together buttermilk, eggs, and vanilla extract. Add this to the flour mixture along with melted butter. Now mix until just combined. Do not overmix. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a like. If you are new to Mama Bui's Kitchen, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys, and also this helps with the YouTube algorithm. The batter looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and divide the batter between the muffin tins. This recipe yields 24 coconut scones. Once all the muffin tins are filled, we're gonna go ahead and bake in a 375 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. The scones are done. They baked for 25 minutes guys. I just removed them from the oven. It smells amazing. This coconut scones recipe guys is simple yet soft and buttery. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. The recipe is so quick and simple. Thanks for watching. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye my honey.